Hi Theo, this is Abhishekar and I am explaining about the electrical suppliers in Scotland. The whole presentation is based on digital and business education in country of Scotland. The following content would critically evaluate the implications of online marketing. And first one is detail about the background of electrical suppliers, and second one is detail about the theoretical framework, and third one is detail about the applications example, and fourth one is in details about the industrial and online evidence background, and fifth one is detail about the content marketing promotions, and sixth one is the detail about the implications of marketing. First one, background. Background. It comes under the digital marketing, online marketing, social media marketing, email marketing. Digital marketing is a one of form of the marketing which company or brand the products services in the online platform. The differs of traditional mode of marketing, and the traditional marketing, the goods and services which are usually offered by the business are sold, such as physical marketing, such as in the form of magazines, newspapers, or set up the posters in a public areas. And when speaking the digital modes of marketing, it compares vast number of factors such as email marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, and other related modes of communications. They becomes very important for the business consider as a digital marketing. Second one, theoretical framework. In the theoretical framework, the traditional model of marketing, digital marketing, the electricity demands of customers, and the potential suppliers. Throughout the years, the traditional mode of marketing has undergone several pillars of success in the delivering with the output of business performance to associate stakeholders such as customers, suppliers, employees, and the other internal or external stakeholders. Speaking about the electricity industry, in the digital marketing has enabled to business to reach the maximum number of clients or customers with the very limited time. Also, the customers can recharge their electricity bills with the convenience of their home, and thus business of electricity suppliers has got more than transparency in the nature. Example: SEO visibility, UK Power Network, low trust flow score. The research studies from various well-known universities as shown in the Scotland. One or three public citizens chosen the small or medium electricity suppliers online mode of communication. The creative and enormous opportunity for the Electricity Board of Scotland to nourish the customer base and the access to each the customer segments where the research to internet is possible. In SEO visibility, the UK Power Network has the highest, biggest access to public customers. In the general, their performance has outlated competition, as well as the leading competition of other electricity broadbands present in the country. This is a turn shows that there is an enormous opportunity for digital marketing and online social media channels to grow the electricity suppliers for the of the marketing. The applications of electricity suppliers, which has been started above, determines the digital marketing successfully as well as successful implication. Industrial and online evidence. Industrial and online evidence, it comes under Scottish owner supplies, advertising and digital agencies, Scottish Power, British Gas. The digital marketing is now primarily focused on the main cities and places northeast England and Scotland itself. The digital marketing is hence comprised mainly on email marketing to retarget the existing customers as well as defining the new potential customers. With this mode of digital marketing, regularly based on emails are beginning to send to the customer's email account for the consumption for electricity, and with us the customers can contact the electricity suppliers with more case. It has been confirmed that the Scottish Power is going advertise the presence across the United Kingdom to complete the against its arrivals. The Scottish Power has around the 1 million customers behind the fifth biggest supplier EDF Energy. Speaking about the present scenario, the British Gas has held the first position for the market leader in the Scotland, which is further accounts for 6 million users of electricity across the whole nation. Content marketing promotions. Based strategy, social media platforms, business education, target audience. The Scottish Power British Gas of Scotland is keen to make the higher marketing impact on growing population in Scotland. To make the marketing strategy successful, the companies have taken closer consideration to small and medium based electricity suppliers present in the country. They have that the content based marketing options are the best marketing option that is available to market to make the best use of physical resources in the marketing activities. To achieve the marketing targets in each quarter, the social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn has been targeted, by which the electricity suppliers has got access to large group of audience. The more number of audience in which has been generated has gone through the advertisement on Facebook pages has a Facebook holders in the highest social media users. The electric suppliers has worked on their level best in terms of creation of content based strategy, by which the retention ratio of the customer towards the electricity boards of suppliers has been increased. To promote the content even on higher scale, the knowledge of digital marketing has been shared in the business education classes offered by the various universities in Scotland. Implications of marketing: search engine marketing, search engine optimization, relevant keywords, data analysis. To make sure the best digital marketing, electricity suppliers have been made the best of social media marketing campaigns. The electricity suppliers has been successful in the implementation of marketing strategies by the use of several implications. The search engine optimization is the one of the most common causes of delivering the marketing campaigns each electricity supplier to each target audience. Search engine marketing and another had or paid versions for ranking the company's website. Again, it differs the use of relevant keywords, which makes the web pages or website makes it the top of the search engine. The data analysis of customer retention and another related information could be interpreted in the both sections by the use of Google Analysis and Bing keyword searches. Conclusion: the overall concept of critical evaluated the concept of digital marketing and social media platforms, concentrating electricity suppliers based on the Scotland. The first part has been started as general introduction, including the background of concentrated study, it evaluated approach, as well as useful overall context. The other parts critically evaluate about the theoretical framework, about the concentrated theory supplies by the main context of theory that has been further examined. It states the nature of proposed problem, about the concept of traditional mode of marketing and how the traditional mode has been solved the rising in the digital marketing. The applications part the content justifies the applied framework of from the digital marketing and social media based marketing strategies in the electricity industry, and how the customers process the awareness of each supplier brand profile. In the section of industrial and online advice, the detailed explain of Scottish Power and electricity suppliers has been understand which further as critical evaluation regarding their business performance. In later parts, the detailed theory of how digital marketing presence and social media based channels has been gone through the success phase of each electricity supplier has been discussed.